Hi children, take your workbook. Open page number 18. This is your maths class children. Comparison of numbers. Use the signs appropriately. Here one is done for you children already. This is your revision class. Listen again children. Listen again and learn thoroughly practice thoroughly. Yes, 1 is less than 2. Yes, here 10 and 13 is given. Which number is more? Yes, 13 is more. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present like this. This is less than symbol. That means tell it 10 less than 13 in sentence. Yes, 10 is less than 13. 10 is less than 13. Next 20, here 38. Which symbol here you have to keep it? Yes, less than symbol. Why? Because 38 is big number. 20 is less than 38. Next 23 and 43. Here which symbol you have to keep here? Yes, less than symbol again. Why? Because which number is more children? 23 or 43? Yes, 43. So keep this type of symbol. This is less than symbol. Next 77 and 34. Which number is more children? Yes, 77 is biggest number. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present. Yes or no? So this type of symbol is called greater symbol. 100 and 120. Which number is big number? 100 or 120? Yes, 120 is biggest number than 100. So 100 is less than 120. 100 is less than 120. Like this you have to keep this symbol children, less than symbol here. Next symbol 201, 250. Which number is biggest number children here? 250. Yes, 201 is less than 250. See here children, less than symbol keep here.Xt 450 and right side also 450. Yes, both sides are numbers are same numbers. So how to keep here is equal to symbol. 450 is equal to 450. Next second line. Here see again 2 is equal to 2. 13 greater than 11. 38 greater than 32. 43 less than 56. 34 less than 88. 120 less than 159. 450 greater than 328. Sorry listen carefully. Here 250 less than 329. 450 is greater than 328. Learn again children. Next 2 is less than 5. 11 is equal to 11. 32 is greater than 23. 56 is greater than 32. 88 is equal to 88. 159 is equal to 159. 329 is equal to 329. 329 is greater than 253. Next one. 5 is greater than 3 is already given. So see children, next one. 11 is less than 17. 23 is equal to 23. 32 is less than 43. Why? Because here 43 is the biggest number than 32. So in that side only crocodile mouth is present. This type of symbol is called less than. So you have to tell the sentence like this. 32 is less than 43. 88 is greater than 32. 159 is greater than 108. 329 is less than 490. 253 is less than 309. See children, here put the appropriate sign less than or greater than or is equal to between the numbers. 22 is equal to 22. 87 is less than 325. 591 is big number or 403 is big number? Yes, 591. Yes or no? 4 big number or 5 big number? Yes, 591 is big number. So keep this symbol, it is greater than symbol. Next, 364 is less than 573. 38 is less than 41. Next, 68 is less than 86. 999 is greater than 888. 123 is equal to 123. 286 less than 467. 555 is also 550. Both sides are numbers are same. So in that time we keep is equal to symbol. Next line. 428. 482. Yes, here less than symbol you have to keep. 428 is less than 482. 55 is greater than 54. Here 1000 and here 100. Which number is more? 1000 is more. Yes or no? So keep greater than symbol in between this. 1 here also 1. So 1 is equal to 1. 696 is greater than 669. 444 is greater than 333. 0 is equal to 0. 8 is less than 42. 7 is less than 10. 500 is less than 510. 842 is greater than 248. 99 is greater than 66. 369 is less than 963. 10 is less than 11. 778 is greater than 777. 86 is less than 96. 86 is less than 96. Next, 54 is greater than 45. 19 is greater than 18. Why? Because 19 number is big number. Only that side only crocodile mouth is present. So this symbol is called greater than. 19 is greater than 18. 212 is greater than 221. 678 is less than 687. Okay children? Okay children, now do you identify what is greater than symbol, what is less than symbol, what is equal to symbol, which number is more? Only that side only crocodile mouth is present. ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో అటువైపు మాత్రమే క్రొకోడైల్ మౌత్ అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో ఇలా తెరిచి ఉన్నటువంటి సింబల్ లాగా ఇటు సైడు ఎక్కువ నెంబర్ ఉంది కదా, సో ఇది గ్రేటర్ దాన్. ఇలా సింబల్ ఉంటే దీన్ని గ్రేటర్ దాన్ అంటారు. 599